What if the most important electric vehicle of the next few years hasn't even reached a dealership yet? The future of driving isn't waiting somewhere far away. It's already taking shape behind factory doors and design studios. Across the automotive world, companies are racing to turn ambitious concepts into everyday transportation. That uncertainty is exactly what makes this moment so fascinating for American car buyers. Some of these EVs are months from production, while others still face the toughest road ahead. Meanwhile, familiar brands know they can't afford to stand still, as competition grows stronger every year. At the same time, startups are challenging decades of automotive tradition with bold new ideas. Companies like Lucid, Rivian, and Slate believe the next generation of drivers expects something completely different. Their mission isn't simply replacing gasoline engines, it's rethinking the entire ownership experience. Meanwhile, familiar brands know they can't afford to stand still, as competition grows stronger every year. That's why engineers are developing electric SUVs, pickups, crossovers, and affordable commuter cars simultaneously.
All loaded up.
Ready for the ascent.
Time to get this done.
But creating an exciting prototype is only the beginning of a much longer journey. Turning a concept into a production vehicle demands years of engineering, testing, and financial commitment. Even impressive designs can disappear before reaching showroom floors if market conditions suddenly change. That's why not every futuristic EV you see today will eventually wear a license plate. Still, many upcoming models are steadily moving closer to reality with each development milestone. Improved battery technology continues pushing driving range higher while reducing charging times. Software has become as important as horsepower in defining the modern driving experience. Advanced driver assistance, smarter navigation, and regular over-the-air updates are becoming expected features. Yet technology alone doesn't guarantee success in today's competitive automotive market. Buyers also demand practical pricing, dependable quality, and charging solutions that fit real life. Manufacturers understand that convenience often matters just as much as innovation.
This panoramic roof makes the cabin feel so open.
And the kids have plenty of space in the back.
Without a traditional engine, designers gain new freedom to improve passenger comfort and cargo capacity. The safety remains another major priority, as engineers strengthen battery protection and crash performance. For American families, confidence behind the wheel is every bit as valuable as impressive acceleration. The growing charging network is also making long-distance electric travel increasingly practical across the country. Even so, challenges remain, including infrastructure gaps and the evolving cost of battery materials. Those realities force automakers to balance innovation with affordability and long-term reliability. Competition has never been more intense, and consumers are ultimately the biggest winners. Every upcoming launch pushes rival manufacturers to improve efficiency, technology, and overall value. The result is a marketplace evolving faster than almost any period in automotive history. Some of tomorrow's biggest success stories may currently exist only as prototypes or pre-production vehicles. Others may quietly disappear, reminding us that innovation always carries real risk. But every serious attempt moves the industry closer to cleaner transportation and smarter mobility. The future of electric vehicles isn't defined by one company or one model. It's shaped by relentless competition and constant progress. Which upcoming EV are you most excited to see on American roads? Share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe to the NXG Pro YouTube channel for more premium automotive documentaries.